Right, back in today, we're going to have a look and see if we can figure out why the muffler makes such a rattly noise. Alright, looks like we found the problem. This bracket here should be attached to the other side of that. Well, I'm going to turn around this way. We might try and jack him up. Maybe weld it onto there. And then join actually be melted to there or something. These chains come off, so we'll put this chain back on. And that'll sort that problem out. That's welded back in place. I got this chain here that's fallen out. It's come out of this hole here. It's been stretched, so we're just gonna put a bigger bolt in that chain, and it's done. There's that sorted. The hole is getting a bit wore out for the little nut that went through there. Righto, well that's back in. We got a little dashboard, switches. Yeah, so we've got the muffler attached now. We're just going to see how that goes. I'm going to find out if it's any good. This is race it. I think it should be alright. And even painted the new speed holes yesterday, so all blue again, good fast. So yeah, that's it for now. We'll probably do a break for Christmas and New Year's and be back early next year to get it ready to go to the track. Anyhow, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.